I have spent the last 2.5 years of my life to perfectionate two things for Hungarian learners. The first is the very first and only online Hungarian campus. I have built up in the recent 2.5 years, together with hundreds of Hungarian learners, a whole Hungarian campus, 5 different levels of Hungarian language and culture courses, starting from zero Hungarian knowledge all the way to fluency and confident speaking. This encompasses the Hungarian Incubator course, the Hungarian Elevator course, the Hungarian Hero Maker course, the Hungarian Horizon, and lastly, the Hungarian Speaking Club. All of these are put together in a way that you can access the lessons, the video lessons, 24/7 from all over the world whenever you want during the day, whenever you want during the week. And we also have weekly meetings to support you with your questions and give you the chance to practice and meet the community, because you're not alone in this. You don't have to do this alone, because it's much more fun and also more entertaining if you do this together with other people being in the same boat as you. And then the Hungarian campus is also having not just language elements but cultural elements as well, perfect if you need to be prepared for the Hungarian citizenship. And even if you don't plan to have that at a certain point, you still need to understand the people around you if you want to feel good in the place where you live, surrounded by Hungarians. So the Hungarian campus is not just another language course, it's your gateway to fluent Hungarian and the one-stop shop for Hungarian language and culture. Do you want to get a taste of this? How is it to learn with you in the Hungarian campus? Then join my 4-day free workshop, which is the second thing which I was working on in these last 2.5 years to perfectionate it. I have invited a lot of the Hungarian campus students to speak about their experience with the courses. Many of them have been in the campus not just for one course but several ones. And in this 4-day workshop, I'm not just showing to you what you can reach, what you can get if you join my courses, but I also want to encourage you and I want to empower you with my best knowledge, with tools, with language tips, hacks, language explanations, showing you the grammar logic and letting you know about the 7 typical mistakes what Hungarian learners make, therefore they progress slower. All of this I want to give you in my 4-day free workshop, even if you're not a campus student or you decide not to be a campus student. The 4-day workshop is designed to help everyone who is learning Hungarian or plans to learn Hungarian wherever you are on this journey, whether you are just planning to start up or you already have started it but you feel stuck, or you have done several steps but you're not there where you want to be yet. The campus 4-day free workshop has something to offer to everyone. It is an inspiring community also behind it, so it's not just the knowledge what you get from it, but it's the whole Hungarian learning spirit which you can experience and can give you the push you need to continue or start your Hungarian learning journey. So I invite you with the warmth of my heart to come enjoy the 4-day free workshop, which I will have from the 13th of October until the 16th of October. It's completely free to join. You need to register though, because the spots are limited, but it's completely free to join. And with this, I can help you to unleash your Hungarian potential and to fast track your Hungarian journey. I hope to see you there.